In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds in Photoshop, fur and hair. If you've ever struggled with flyaway hair or fluffy fur, this walkthrough will give you a clean cutout while keeping those delicate details intact. Start with your image open. In the Layers panel, click the little padlock to unlock the background layer. This lets Photoshop apply selections and masks properly, which is essential for a non-destructive workflow. Next, go to the top menu and choose Select, then Select and Mask. This opens a dedicated workspace designed for complex edges like hair and fur. In the Select and Mask window, change the view mode to On Black. A dark background makes wispy edges easier to see. You can switch views at any time, but On Black is a great starting point. Zoom in for precision and use the spacebar to pan while you work. Click Select Subject to let Photoshop create an initial selection. Don't worry if it's not perfect. This is just your first pass. Then click Refine Hair. This tool analyzes the edges and adds detail to strands of hair or fine fur automatically. Lower the opacity slightly so you can just see the underlying image. This helps you spot halos and leftover background while refining, making it easier to judge the transition between subject and backdrop. Scroll to Refine mode and choose Object Aware. Set the radius to around 9 pixels and enable Smart Radius. The radius tells Photoshop how far from the edge to look for detail, and Smart Radius adapts to both soft and hard edges. For very high resolution images, you can nudge the radius up a bit. Select the Refine Edge Brush tool. Adjust the brush size with the bracket keys on your keyboard. A medium soft brush usually works well around hairlines. Gently paint along the perimeter where the hair or fur meets the background. Use short strokes and avoid overpainting. If it grabs too much background, undo and try a smaller brush. Switch your view to overlay to check edge quality. Overlay highlights issues like dark fringing, rough transitions, or missed patches, making them easy to spot and fix. Enable decontaminate colors and start at 0%. Slowly increase the slider while watching the edges. Around 80% is common, but let your image be the guide. This reduces color spill from the original background and helps hair and fur look natural. For the final output, set output to new layer with layer mask, then click OK. You'll have your original intact and a clean cutout on a separate layer, complete with preserved hair or fur detail. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.